Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Oclean. This is the Oclean Flow rechargeable electric sonic toothbrush, and this is got a lot of different features that we're going to get into. There's 5 built-in modes for this. It has up to 6 months of battery life between charges, and of course you can exchange the toothbrush heads. No problems with this whatsoever. So we're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what you get once you get it out of the box, so you can see everything that comes with it. Now, you do get a user manual in a bunch of different languages, which is always helpful if English is not your native language, but they do show you all the modes, what they do, the features of this particular toothbrush, so hold on to it for reference. Now, we do get 3 things in the box. So let's start with the toothbrush head. You do have this toothbrush head here, and this is a pretty nice toothbrush head. It's got some nice angles to it, and we're going to put that to the side now. We'll take out the main unit, of course. So you do have the main unit, and we will go over that in just a second as well. And you do get a charging cable for this, because this happens to have a 2500 milliamp rechargeable battery. Now, you can use this. It's a USB Type A, so your normal USB, to USB Type C for recharging the unit. Again, 2500 milliamp unit in this, and it will work for up to 180 days, so 6 months. So you're pretty much only going to be charging this maybe twice a year. On the bottom of the toothbrush itself, you'll see there's a little spot there that you can remove, and then there is your USB Type-C charge port. So you can get up to 180 days of usage out of this, which is incredible, especially if you're somebody that travels a lot or something like that. You don't want to be worried about running out of power. Now, you can put this into any PC or laptop's USB port, or you can use something like this, which is going to be your standard AC to USB adapter to get it charged up. So looking at the front, we've got 5 different modes on here. We've got a morning mode, a night mode, a standard cleaning mode, a whitening mode, and then all the way down at the bottom, we have a gentle mode. So if you have sensitive teeth or something like that, then you can definitely use the gentle mode for that. Now on the top, you've got your setup here for putting on the brush heads. You just want to make sure that the arrow is pointing towards you, and then you're good to go. And of course, you can get replacements for these over time. Feels good in the hand. It's a fairly lightweight, so this is going to be good for travel again. If you need to travel with it, you can. Turning it on has a little LED here, and if you push the button within 5 seconds of turning it on, it will switch through these modes. So you do have, again, your morning mode, your night mode, standard cleaning mode, whitening mode, and gentle mode, and you can switch through all of these to the one that you prefer. Now, I'm going to play these for you so that you can hear them. But right before that, I want to talk about the motor that's inside this. This is a maglev motor that will provide up to 76,000 movements per minute. Now, you may not be able to see this on the camera, but it's moving quite fast. And in each mode, the pattern is a little bit different. So again, what I want to do is I want to play each mode for you so that you can hear what they're like. Now, I turned down the lights a little bit there. Hopefully you could see each mode lights up so that you can tell which one you're in, kind of like the ring around the power button itself. So that's something that I tried to show on the camera, so hopefully you were able to see that. But it also has a 2-minute timer, and it has a pause every 30 seconds, so you can do each of the 4 quadrants of your teeth, your upper right, your upper left, and then your lower right, and then your lower left, or however you want to do it, but you'll spend 30 seconds. So it does have a little pause every 30 seconds, and then it will shut off after 2 minutes, so that you can make sure that you're getting enough brushing time. Overall, I really like the design of the Oclean Flow. I really like the battery life, the fact that I only have to charge this thing maybe twice a year. That is excellent. It does take about 5 hours to recharge it from totally dead to fully charged, but 5 hours for 6 months is a good trade-off. Overall, it's lightweight, easy to pack away if you need to travel, has definitely some significant modes, like a whitening mode if maybe you're a coffee drinker and you're trying to whiten up your teeth, that gentle mode at the bottom if you have sensitive teeth. Overall, this has a lot of features and is a well-rounded sonic electric toothbrush. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.